Hey, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to upgrade your Samyang lenses to the most recent firmware. To get started, we're going to need the docking station, an actual Samyang lens, the lens manager software, whether it's Mac or PC, and the actual firmware file itself. I'm going to show you exactly how the parts look, and then we'll take you into the computer and run through the software. Let's get started. All right, this part is pretty straightforward, as you'll see here in a second. Once I get it out of the box, I'm just going to take off the top of the lens manager, and I'm going to use my Samyang 45mm 1.8 lens for this example and for this tutorial. So make sure you line up the red dot of the lens manager with the white dot of the lens and snap it in there. Use the provided USB cable to connect to your computer. All right, head over to samyanglens.com and click on firmware and look for your specific lens, mine being the 45mm 1.8. Save it to your downloads or whatever folder that you want to choose. Then click on Lens Manager. Depending on your operating system and language, go ahead and download that file as well. Now I have them both in the same location. Go ahead and open up your Samyang Lens Manager. And once you're there, click on Lens Connection to the right side. Now, it might take a couple clicks, but it'll work. Once you got that going on, you'll see your specific firmware version. Mine was version 2. Let's go ahead and load the firmware file and go ahead and search for that and go ahead and open. Once you're there, you'll get the message saying that that was completed. And here we go. Finally, smash that update button. And the message will pop up. It'll tell you, not to turn off your machine in the middle of firmware. Basically, don't be it. So go ahead and click OK. And once that's done, I sped this up just a bit, but it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Once that's done, it'll start again. And just to confirm your current files, and there it is, version 6. We did it. All right, well, there you have it. Pretty simple, super straightforward. But if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you found any value out of this video, then please consider subscribing. See you on the next one. Peace.